So what do I do? Do I close my eye?
No, just don't blink.
Don't blink?
Don't blink.
Your fingers in my eye. How do I not blink? Why are you taping my eye?
It'll make sense in the end. You have a lot of eye wrinkles, bro. Now, you cannot be moving around. You can't be twitching like you usually do. You can't be spazzing out.
Twitching?
Can't do that shit either.
My eye itches.
Well,
there's tape in it.
Get it all out now. That's how it is.
Why?
That's how it's.
Do you just want to torture yourself the entire time?
Literally just it up.
Ow. Get your zoomies out now, Wheeze. Beauty is pain.
Now close your eyelids.
My eyelids?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
This is not going well. This is already not going well. I can't do shit, bro. You're crinkling the tape.
I'm laughing.
With your f***ing wrinkles.
Stop being mad at me for being happy. Close my eyes.
Close your eyes. Tilt your head up.
Just my eyelids, though. Just close my eyelids.
You.
It's so hard not to wrinkle my face. I can't do it. I can't do it.
You're f***ing up the tape so bad right
now. I can't do it. Okay.
Get out your laughs.
I'm getting my giggles out.
Get your giggles out.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. You can't laugh either.
Because you've been trying to close your eyes for 5 minutes.
I'm gonna have to laugh like I have to laugh just holding my eyes open. You know, like
close your eyes.
Right,
Oh
dude.
my God.
I'm good. What are you gonna do though? Ah, what are you doing? Tell me what you're doing before you do it.
I'm putting things on your eyes.
Well, what? Like,
Just
what's it gonna feel like though?
I'm going to blend it in now.
I'm so tense.
I never knew just how dark the bags in your eyes were. You have, you remind me of like a golden retriever. What was it? What's his name?
Airbud?
No. You remind me of like a golden retriever temporary character.
Oh.
Airbud.
I wish it was Airbud.
Keep your eyes closed.
Okay. What are you gonna do to him?
Keep them closed.
I need to know what's gonna happen before you start poking it in my eye.
Well, just know I'm gonna be working on your eyelids.
But like, what's it gonna feel
you
like?
need
Is it
to
gonna
know.
be sharp? Is it gonna be soft, fluffy,
It's-
sandy?
The majority of it is soft. You big fucking baby.
The majority?
Relax your fucking face.
I can't. I can't. Every time you touch my eye, dude, I'm just like, oh, I don't like that. Oh, God. That was not a good sensation.
You can open your mouth, you baby, and read your chat.
But can I open my eyes?
That's what I meant.
Oh. That's like, what the f do you want me to do with that, dude? Open your mouth and read your chat. What's this one? Is it going to be like pokey soft or like fluffy soft?
I've been doing it for years. It does not feel like anything to me, okay?
Touch it with your finger.
It doesn't feel like anything to me.
Goddamn Murloc, bro. Don't you think? I can't open my eyes, do you? What do you think? Give me something here. This is literally torture. I hate my eyes being with so bad.
Okay, open your eyes. Keep your eyes open.
I
Just keep them open. I'm not gonna get in
What?
I'm not gonna get in your eyeballs.
Why do I have to
am
keep my eyes open?
Tracing your bone, your brow bone.
Why can't I do it with my eyes closed?
Just don't.
Why?
It looks better if I know what I'm doing. Relax your face. You act like I'm stabbing you with a knife. Trust me.
Oh. Ah.
Okay.
That was awful. That was the worst part so far for me.
Now this takes some precision, so I really need you to hold still.
Can I close my eyes?
Yes. And open your mouth.
Close your eyes and open your mouth. You'll be all right.
all feels like a brush. Okay.
But different types of brushes do different things.
They're all soft.
Not really.
Just close your eyes.
What all have you done to my eyes so
I'm kind
far?
of going for like a smoky eye look, and right now I'm blending the black in because I highlighted your brow bone. Now I'm blending the black into the brown. I'm going along your eyelid.
So you use brown and for a smoky eye?
Yeah.
This just feels like you're jabbing my eye directly. This doesn't feel like a blend. This feels like assault. What's next, dear?
Okay.
The other eye?
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
Is it smoked? Was it a long...
It's not quite smoked, honey.
Was it a long smoke?
Open your eye real quick. Open your eyes! Just keep your eye open
God
for
damn
a
it.
second.
God damn it.
You need to look normal for this part. Normal.
I'm trying.
Bro. Like, you think I'm torturing him. I'm literally just doing his makeup.
Literally, this eye thing,
Close your eyes.
I don't like the eye part.
I'm putting the final layer on his eyeshadow, which is going to be like a dark purple. And with this, I just kind of blend everything together. Usually, when I do this, I'm doing it on myself, so it's much easier, but I'm doing it on a pansy ass. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult blending.
What the f was that? I didn't really appreciate that.
Oh, I'm pretty.
It looks like I'm about to go commit murders. So is the tape just like a painter's tape technique?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I have to leave my eyes open?
Yes. Just look at me.
Why do I have to leave my eyes open?
Look at me.
My lid will still be there. Oh my god, that's so close to my eyeball. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so close to my eyeball. I hated that so much. Please tell me the eyes are done.
Nope.
This is all a trick. What? I don't know. Brother. Jesus Christ. The right eye is like worse for some reason.
I can tell.
It's so much worse to get the right eye done for me. I don't know why. So let them know why are you using two different things here?
One's for volume and curl, the other one's for length.
Which one's which?
I don't know. You just smack it on there until it does its thing.
What? So you don't know which one is supposed to do what?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweaty under there.
Now I gotta clean up the under eyes. Because you were moving so goddamn much. Okay.
Oh. What's the is it Dead Space 2 where they have that fucking
You're comparing this to Dead Space 2.
Yeah, I'm comparing it to Dead Space 2. There's that mission where you have to like lower that needle thing down into your eye, and if you fuck up, it like digs out the side of your face.
Is it what you're going through right now?
That feels like it.
Okay.
What is this stuff you're putting on me?
Foundation. Stop moving your face.
It feels weird.
Jesus fucking Christ.
It feels weird, dude. How do you want me to stand still?
Don't move your face.
Oh my god.
Stop moving your face.
I can't help it, dude. I can't help it. All right. I can't. The chair's in the way.
You're so twitchy. Relax. I feel like a mortician doing a corpse's makeup. Bro.
I'm just gonna make everyone really uncomfortable.
Oh my god. just what I wanted. Thank you. Okay, look at me.
Okay. See, so this is good. This is good. Anytime you do that, you know, you just gotta you gotta go quick because I want to dead stare at the chat. So
stop laughing. Your forehead wrinkles crinkle up.
When did I get so wrinkly, dude?
You were born with all these wrinkles, bro. Your baby.
Damn, that's a wrinkly baby.
Your baby already has retirement. Go away, forehead wrinkles. Go away.
Wow. Stop hitting me. Stop putting it in my hair. What are you doing?
I'm literally going back to your hairline.
Is it that far back?
It's not that far. Forehead wrinkles.
Ow, goddamn. Yep, getting that brow good. Well, don't put it in my mouth.
Don't spit on
That's
me.
what she said.
This is why I wanted you to shave, bro. No, it's just gonna get all chalky in your fucking scraggly ass chin.
I don't have like an actual razor. I don't grow enough facial hair to like constitute like an actual razor, so I just have an electric one, and it never really gets like there, you know?
That's such a cool story.
Ooh, is this blush?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Well, it's more or less just like contour.
That's going up into my sideburns.
I'm sculpting your face, dumbass. Okay, stop scaring people.
Get all these boys to pick me up in their Chevrolets tonight. Any luck, I'll be spreading my Chevrolets.
I really need you to stop.
Doing what?
Talking.
I got an itch right here.
You can't do it. Don't touch it.
Will you like just... Yeah. That's good. That's exactly what I needed. This is exactly it. We do it.
I knew what you were talking about. Okay.
It itches so bad.
Please,
what are you gonna do
now?
I need you to explain, not only for my sanity,
to contour your nose,
but for also everyone else, because this is a makeup tutorial.
I am going to contour his nose. If you would actually let me.
I'm ready. I don't think they could see that eye roll, but it was a loud eye roll.
Oh god. I swear he looks great, just not when he looks at you like that.
That actually feels kind of nice. I like that one.
You like that one?
That one feels nice. Yeah, and it's not directly like in my eye either, you know? Like, I'm not as unsettled right now.
Now the lipstick.
Yay!
We're almost done.
Alright, so I don't really... This may come as a surprise to some people. I don't really have, like, voluptuous lips, so how are you gonna do lipstick on a thin-lipped, lily-livered, yellow-backed, buddy buttercup like myself?
Okay, you done?
Yeah.
So usually you just like overline it. Like I don't like to overline it too much because it will be like super obvious. But whereas he has that pedo stash, he'll be fine on the upper lip, but on the bottom lip we're kind of gonna overline it. So
Pedo. Okay, I think I got it. It's very crusty.
talking. Open your mouth a little bit. Don't.
I'm done. I'm done. Okay. What the f***?
Did you see that booger
Oh.
flying out?
No! It tickles.
Stop moving.
It tickles.
You are twitching.
It tickles.
Stop talking.
It tickles. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. I'm sorry. Did you get on my tooth? Dude!
Do that again.
You're not painting my teeth.
I'm not painting your teeth.
You just did.
I don't mean to. Just stop moving. That's as good as it's gonna get.
What do you mean as good as it's gonna get? How do I look?
Close your eyes.
Do I look good? Welcome to the DMV. Can I get you a cigarette while you're waiting? A cup of coffee? How can I do for you? This has been a good use of time, I think.
I forgot about the lipstick on your teeth.
Oh yeah, you colored my f***ing teeth! I do think I look a little dead. I do think I look a little bit dead.
It's all over your teeth.
Why did you put it on my teeth?
I'll take a picture so you can see.
What the f?
Like...
Why the f is it on my teeth?
I just made a moose.
How f***ing bad is it? Is it bad? Oh my god. Dude. I think Em did a great job. Considering what her canvas is, I think she did a fantastic job.